Hi Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 28th to July the 31st reading. So Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, doon din po yan sa Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Libra, no, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Libra, magsimula na tayo. Bakit parang meron tayong mga taong namimiss? Meron tayong mga taong gustong makita, whether it is childhood friends, childhood lover, you know, these are the people from the past, or this is a person from the past. Either lagi natin sila napapanaginipan, it could be family members too, no? Something, probably, ito yung, parang may nagkakaroon tayo ng separation anxiety, or meron talagang mga taong hindi na natin na-visit, no, from the past. It kind of make me feel that you are, parang tinatawag ka, no? There's actually summoning happening in here. Feeling mo, yung parang kutob ba, no? Parang I feel like merong si ganito, ganyan, parang gusto kong kausapin, blah blah, yada yada. It might be something very spiritual. It might also be something that's happening in here in this 3D na parang they're just missing you, no? You just have to reach out to that person. I feel like there's actually a huge amount of time that you have been that you had been in separation with this person. Sabihin natin medyo, yun na, may katagalan na. With the Queen of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and the Three of Swords. So it kind of make me feel at one point in time, nagkasakitan kayo nitong taong to sa salita, no? So again, this might be family related reading, or this might be a relationship reading or romance reading, na nagkaroon kayo ng sumbatan, nagkaroon kayo ng turuan, sisihan, no? For a few numbers of you, this involves money. For a few numbers of you, talagang pagkataklesa lang ng bibig, no? Words really cut deep. Ika nga. Either you're the person who chooses to separate, or either ikaw yung nanatili and iniwan, no? It doesn't matter. It kind of make me feel that this is the time for you to mend, fix those gaps, no, na medyo nasira. I'm not seeing that there's actually burning bridges in here, none. But I feel like this bridge can still be fixed. It just requires time, and I think that this is already an ample time for the both of you to have a reconciliation. It may not be for, maibalik yung dati, but at least, kind of like release those burdens. Seven of Cups and the Four of Pentacles. Ikaw ba ito na parang, okay, you may be the person that I am reading, or it could be the cross watchers, no? Gawin na lang natin, si person A, nag-reach out na. Si person B parang, no, I'm not ready yet. Okay? so you can put your um, energy either for to person A or person B for reference. No, so one is trying to reach out probably months ago, weeks ago, or pwedeng even kahapon lang. No, but someone here is telling the other person, no, I'm not ready yet. There's still some heightened emotion. No, uh, I'm still hurt. The star and the nine of swords in reverse. So parang hindi na ako stressed, pero parang someone here already set boundaries or sabihin natin tama na yon. Ah, napatawad na kita kasi ganun ba kasakit? I feel like kung sino man itong taong to, um, ito yung parang pinaka-least na ina-expect na makakagawa ng masama sa kanya or masasaktan siya, no? Um, there's high expectations, no? So someone here feels very disappointed. Six of Wands and the Knight of Wands. So I felt like whatever this person probably nagawa, no, na kabulastugan, kasiraan, um, with the Knight of Wands, parang nilinis ko na. We can move forward, we can fix the issues, we can walk on the bridge once again, hand in hand, no? Can we go back as a team? So parang sa isang tao naman sinasabi, that's actually a good news. Pero parang feeling ko kasi, you gonna need me, kaya ka bumabalik, to help you, no? Parang ayusin itong mga bagay na ikaw naman ang may kagagawa, no? I'm just, siguro sa dami ng ginagawa ko with the Seven of Cups, right? There's a lot of things in my plate, tapos idadagdag mo pa yan. So, parang for me, no, no, hindi para sa akin yan, no? Hindi para ako ang umayos or tulungan. No? With the King of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Ten of Pentacles. So especially if this requires money, di ba? Madami din akong mga ginagawa, plano, and nagsisave ako, no? Minsan kulang pa nga itong mga sinasahod ko. So, tapos hihiraman mo pa ako. So, ayoko. Napaka-blatant kasi ng pagtanggi, no? Parang napaka-straightforward. Merong pinaghuhugutan, hindi inarte. Kasi merong, merong kasing inarting hindi, di ba? Hindi kasi ganyan-ganyan, pero oo pala. Yung mga pabebeng hindi. Ito hindi. Hindi, period, no? Ganun ka-direct. Hindi kasi hindi ako gumawa niyan. With the King of Cups and the Hermit. Oo nga naman. So, naiintindihan ko naman dun sa nagsasabing hindi. Para kasi hindi rin nakukuha nung person na nagpupumilit na I have, parang ibinigay ko na rin yung tulong na dapat sa'yo noon. Pero parang nagiging abuso, no? Hindi ngayon, hindi na. Unless kaya mo lusutan yan. Page of Swords and the Three of Wands. I'm willing to wait, no? Pero para isawsaw ang aking paa, no, sa putikan, not anymore. Ngayon, balik ka sa akin kapag malinis na. Hindi yung bibigyan mo ko ng gamit pang linis at tutulungan kita. Not now. Ang dami kong ginagawa. No? So, let's check the emotion of the person. This could be your emotion This could be your person's emotion. No? I dream about you at night and I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. Oh. So, chances are, for a few numbers of you, lalo na bit-bit kayo dito sa third-party situation, no? Katanggap-tanggap yung hindi. No? Katanggap-tanggap yung pagsabi ng hindi. Ano ka, baliw? Babalik ka habang na doon. Ako na una. Nilagay mo ako sa third-party situation, tapos babalik ka habang na doon sa relationship. Pakyo ka. Kahit ako magagalit ng di ba? No. Ngayon, kung gusto mo makapagbalikan, hiwalayan mo. 'Di ba? Hindi para nadudumihan ako, no? Nabababuyan ako. And I am not that kind of person. No, may self-respect ako. Yun. Natumbok natin. Mayroon akong self-respect. Ngayon, kung wala kang respeto sa sarili mo, ako meron akong respeto sa sarili ko, no? Yeah, that's actually your reading, Libra. So, tignan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. No, Virgo, Pisces, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, did I say Scorpio? Yeah, Cancer. No, wala pa kang sinasabing Scorpio. Pisces ang nasabi ko. Yeah. Ano to? Aquarius. Yep, so that's your reading. May nakaligtaan ba? Wala. So that's your reading, Libra. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live session sa kabilang channel, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Yeah? So, kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, click the link ng aking website. Check nyo lang po hanggang pinakababa. Nandun po yung question form. Nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR code, the name, the number, no? For reference. Kasi po meron pong mga fake accounts na gumagala-gala dyan, no? Pretending to be me. So, for reference, lalo na message kayo, kung message na kayo, no, punta kayo dun sa link, nandun po yung reference. Kapag iba yung name or iba yung number, hindi po ako yon. Don't engage na, no? So, I also created a 4 questions plus 1. That's actually a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? So, tuloy ang manhunt ng mga fake accounts. Nandun po sa description box din yung dalawang fake accounts. Report it if you want to win a private reading. So that's actually free of charge. So once you reported the accounts, screenshot, then send it to the designated email na nandun din naman, no? Kapag nagapi po natin yan, I am going to pick a winner, no, for a free of charge reading. So yeah, Libra, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Goodbye.